All right, Tinfoil Tidbits 24. Tinfoil in the news. The Mars mission. So there was a Mars mission this past month, and there was like maybe 2 days of news on it. I've noticed the space missions from NASA, the coverage gets shorter and shorter and shorter. I'm just curious why, and just making sure everybody's looked up Devon Island. If you haven't, go to Google, type in Devon Island, Canada, and look at the pictures there. Just saying. So the question is, did they just land on Mars again? Or did they land in Devon Island? Or was the whole thing just a live action role play? Does anybody believe it? Was there any real pictures, real video footage, full motion video? You know, it's 2021. I expect 4K video at this point. At least 1080 HD. I mean, that came out in like 2005. So that's all. Just the cover in 2016, the Juno Jupiter mission that came and went. Anyway, you guys get it. They're hiring in 17 career fields. Is one of them yours? intelligencecareers.gov/NSA. I wonder how many people we encounter on YouTube that are members of that. So this was in the news. Marco Rubio talks to TMZ about UFOs and the possibility of alien life. There's stuff flying over military installations we can't identify. Ghislaine Maxwell case details too sensational and impure for public, the judge says. Ghislaine Maxwell case details too sensational and impure for public, judge says. How do they decide? The Suez Canal, one of the largest shipping lanes on the planet, blocked with a mega container ship, creating a traffic jam of ships waiting in the Mediterranean, Red Sea, and in the canal itself. The U.S. Navy controls inventions that claim to change the fabric of reality. Inventions with revolutionary potential made by a mysterious aerospace engineer for the U.S. Navy come to light. U.S. Navy holds patents for enigmatic inventions by aerospace engineer Dr. Salvatore Pais. Pais came up with technology that can engineer reality, devising an ultra-fast craft, a fusion reactor, and more. While mostly theoretical at this point, the inventions could transform energy, space, and military sectors. The U.S. Navy controls patents for some futuristic and outlandish technologies, some of which, dubbed the UFO patents, came to life recently. Of particular note are inventions by the somewhat mysterious Dr. Salvatore Cesar Pais, whose tech claims to be able to engineer reality. His slate of highly ambitious, borderline sci-fi designs meant for use by the U.S. government range from gravitational wave generators and compact fusion reactors to next-gen hybrid aerospace, underwater crafts with revolutionary propulsion systems, and beyond. 3 FBI agents disciplined in Olympic bombing case. Now, this one I remember from the song Propaganda by Dead Prez. And it just goes to show, on a long enough timeline, all tinfoilers will always be right. It took 20 plus years for some half-assed justice to be not served. But at least now it's admitted. With the alleged velocity of the Earth and the velocity of the Milky Way, this shouldn't be possible after thousands of years of movement. You know, even before FE, when there was one night I was walking home, I was looking at all the stars. It was a cold night, so the sky was real visible. It's like in 2013. I remember coming home and I said, you know, I used to always look at this one star, which is, I figured out was Sirius. And I looked in the sky to where it used to be as a kid when I used to look at it. And there it was, still there in the same exact spot where I thought it would be. It's funny. We're hurling through space, rotating and revolving. Anyway, that concludes. This was quite a short Tinfoil Tidbit episode. Some of them are long. Some of them, like this one, are short. But nonetheless, thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.